Yes, students, now we are going to read about the light independent phase. Till now, we have read about the light dependent phase of photosynthesis. Now it's turn of the light independent phase, which was earlier known by the name of dark phase, that sometimes implies that it took place in the night time. This whole process is taking place at night, but that was not true about this phase, because this phase it takes place simultaneously side by side along with this light dependent phase. So this phase is independent of light, but it is not happening during the night time. It is happening during the day only. So where this place of light independent phase of photosynthesis, where it is taking place, it is taking place inside the stroma of the chloroplast. Stroma is this liquid matrix inside the chloroplast. As we have cytoplasm in the cell, likewise we are having this jelly-like transparent substance in every organelle that fills the organelle from inside. So the stroma, here this phase of light independent phase of photosynthesis, that took place here. Now what happens here? Till now what we have formed by this light dependent phase, with this phase we end up with these two products, NADPH and ATP. Oxygen gas is released into the atmosphere. So we are having these two products, but we are not looking for these two by the process of photosynthesis. We are planning to get some food out of this process, which is known as photosynthesis. So till now that food has not been prepared. So we are somewhere midway of this process. Now these two products are here. With these two products, ATP and NADPH, with the use of energy, we prepare food. This process was discovered by the scientist Melvin Kelvin. So the process of forming food by these two, it is also known as Kelvin cycle. Where it is happening, how it is happening, this I'm going to show you here in this picture. See, in the stroma of the chloroplast, we are having these granas, the pile-up stacks of the thylakoids. From these thylakoids, after the light-dependent phase of photosynthesis, NADPH is produced and the ATP molecule has been generated. These two molecules, they react with the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is getting inside the cell by diffusion, and they form the sugar. This is what we are looking for after this photosynthesis reaction, because in photosynthesis there is preparation of food with the raw material of carbon dioxide and water. So the process is taking place in stroma. You keep it in your mind for your examination also. Number of times the question has been asked that where the light independent phase of photosynthesis takes place and where the light dependent phase has been taking place. So you have to write the answer correctly. Light dependent in the thylakoids of the chloroplast and light independent phase in the stroma of the chloroplast. We can also memorize it with this diagram. ATP, which we are getting from the light reaction, it provides energy to the carbon dioxide. NADPH, which we are also getting from the same light reaction, it reduces this carbon dioxide, which leads to the formation of C6H12O6, which is our glucose. A sugar molecule is being formed. Now, because in this process a biomolecule has been formed, so the whole process is also known by the name of biosynthetic reaction. So this is all about this phases of photosynthesis. In the first video I have covered the light dependent phase, and in this video I have tried to cover the light independent phase, which is also known as the biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. Hope it will help you in your studies. Thank you so much. Bye bye.